Hi, Regina here. I'm tuning in from Stockholm. I've kind of catched a cold, so I have kind of this here, but I'm shooting a video anyway. I want to talk to you about my pre-recorded business educations. I have a master degree within business. That is 4.5 years university studies, and I have much more as well. I have also studied personal development, really in-depth studies about that, and I also have written 2 books. Both is published, but the first one is called Structure is Key to Success. The other one is kind of secret so far. It's will be released early 2024, but that is more about in-depth leadership. My major is leadership and finance. I have created MBAs, and that is not the same thing. An MBA is kind of for you if you have some other education other than within finance, marketing, or leadership. For instance, if you're an engineer or you're studied the law or something, perhaps you didn't have that much leadership in depth. Leadership is group psychology, but it's also how you motivate people and how you get people to cooperate together, but also to cooperate with the business, the corporation's vision, where the company is going, to what direction. Especially important in times of change. Leadership is questioned more than ever. So it's in depth. My pre-recorded business educations is pre-recorded in depth in leadership. There's also marketing, since marketing is also about communication, but it's towards the market. How do you find your customers? How do you make sure that your customers resonate with your message to the market? So that's a bit marketing. That's really important to have that as well, especially now when kind of everything is online. So it's very important. A bit about finance. You need that to interpret and understand financial reports. Is kind of common sense if you run a business, either as an employed leader or boss, or if you have your own business, you definitely need some skills to interpret financial reports. It's a really good advice, so you don't get fooled by anyone. There's also some how to run business through change. It is called the MBA in English. I both have an American perspective and a European perspective, so I have 2 different options. It will really help you to run business through times of change. I really want to encourage you to check out my website, and also other videos I have here. I have my free content on YouTube and also on my blog posts. So that's the business educations. It's marketing, it's finance, and it's in-depth about leadership. Very important. I also have personal development, self-leadership. Because if you want to lead other people, be an example to other people, be responsible for a business, it starts with you. If you can't lead yourself, you can't lead others. So self-leadership is how you kind of customize good habits to take care of yourself, since you need you to take you where you want to go. It's very important, it's very crucial, especially in stressful times, that you take care of yourself, you create and customize good habits, kick out the bad habits, since everybody knows that bad habits is preventing you from reaching your goals. That's a fact. So within personal development or self-leadership, I have both pre-recorded options. One is called How to Keep a Winner's Mindset, so you don't give up, right? And I also have customized one-on-one coaching sessions for your success. So I have collected my experience, 20 years within business, from different perspectives. Actually, I have been working within business, so within the family business, also my own business, but also been working within audit and also within the Swedish tax agency. So I had a lot of experience that I've collected to help you to pivot within your career, to avoid pitfalls, and don't waste any time doing your own investigations, since you can take advantage of my experiences instead. So it's a very affordable price as well for you, since I see that many needs this. Even if you have an education, even if you don't have a higher education, you can really take advantage of my experience, and that's why it's also affordable, so more people can take advantage of this education. And I also have some free content on my blog posts, as I said, and other videos, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would appreciate it very much. And also, please comment if there is any area that you would like me to have a video on a specific topic. So have a great day, and see you in another video.